More bouncing balls. Here's a revised bouncing ball program that prints directly on the screen with pokes, rather than using cursor controls within print statements. As you will see after running the program, it is much more flexi-bleed than the earlier program, and will lead up to programming much more sophisticated animation. Line 10 clears the screen, and line 20 sets the background to light green with a yellow border. The X and Y variables in line 30 keep track of the current row and column position of the ball. The DX and DY variables in line 40 are the horizontal and vertical direction of the ball's movement. When a +1 is added to the X value, the ball is moved to the right. When -1 is added, the ball moves to the left. A +1 added to Y moves the ball down a row. A -1 added to Y moves the ball up a row. Line 50 puts the ball on the screen at the current cursor position. Line 60 is the familiar delay loop, leaving the ball on the screen just long enough to see it. Line 70 erases the ball by putting a space, code 32, where the ball was on the screen. Line 80 adds the direction factor to X. Line 90 tests to see if the ball has reached one of the side walls, reversing the direction if there's a bounce. Lines 100 and 110 do the same thing for the top and bottom walls. Line 120 sends the program back to display and moves the ball again.
Fix it. What coincidence. I just wrote out that one.
You're poking 81 both times. Bumpizzle Games said one of them should be poked 32. 32 is a space character. It erases the ball. The C64 really needed 4 arrow keys.
No kidding, that's a pain in the butt. I'm going all over the place. I like listing first. Oh, that's cool too, but I like the pattern I made. Very good.
By changing the code in line 50 from 81 to another character code, you can change the ball to any other character. If you change DX or DY to 0, the ball will bounce straight instead of diagonally. We can also add a little more intelligence. So for the only thing you checked for is the X and Y values getting out of bounds for the screen. Add the following lines to the program.
I was running into those things. I got it to work, I think. Ay, caramba.
Lines 21 to 27 put 10 blocks on the screen in random positions. Lines 85 and 105 check, peek, to see if the ball is about to bounce into a block, and changes the ball's direction if so.